Oh wow, this hiking trail is awesome. But there's so many mosquitoes.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Dude, there's mosquitoes all over the place. You gotta help me.
Oh, I have something that can help. We just need a little bit of toothpaste.
How's toothpaste gonna help?
Let me show you. Just dab it over the mosquito bites. The toothpaste stops the swelling and reduces the itch.
Okay, but now what?
You just need to wait for it to dry. And once it's dry, wipe it off.
Whoa, my arms feel so much better now.
Me too. Thanks, June. Oh, the mosquitoes are still here.
Don't worry, I have a solution. You just need an onion. Just cut the onion.
What? How's that gonna help?
The aroma of the onion repels mosquitoes.
Yeah,
no more mosquitoes! Guys, my feet hurt!
Huh? What's wrong, June?
I have a blister!
Ooh, that looks bad. Wait, I have something that can help.
A tomato? How will that help?
Here, I'll show you. Here, just put this over your blister.
Okay, now what?
Just wait for 15 minutes. The natural properties of tomatoes soothes pain and promotes healing.
Wow, it looks better now. Thanks a lot, Max.
No problem.
Let's keep going. We're almost done.
Wow, look at this.
Huh? Did you hear that?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Max, are you okay?
Oh, I scraped my arm.
Ooh, that scrape looks pretty bad. Maybe I can help. This petroleum jelly can help. You just need to put a thin layer over the scrape.
Huh? How's this gonna help?
The petroleum jelly makes a thin layer to prevent infection.
Oh, thanks, Ben.
We still need to get some help, so let's go.
Okay. Oh, look at all this food. Let's eat.
Ooh, pizza's next!
Oh, that was so good. Oh, I'm so full I can't move.
Oh no!
I think I overate.
I can help you. All you need is water and a lime. Cut the lime in half. Then just squeeze the lime juice in the water. Here you go, Max. Try drinking this.
Okay.
The lime water helps your digestive system move faster. How do you feel now, Max?
Oh, I feel better. Thanks, June.
No problem.
Now I can eat more.
Wait, that's not what I...
Are you guys ready for the party later?
Definitely.
Actually...
What do you mean? Is there something wrong?
My shoes are dirty. I don't want to go to a party with dirty shoes.
Dirty shoes? I know how to fix that. All you need is an eraser.
What's that gonna do?
Just trust me. Give me your shoe.
Okay.
We'll just erase all the dirt marks.
Wow, my shoes are so clean. Thanks, Max.
Are you ready for the party now?
Yeah!
Let's go.
Hey, June, are you almost done June?
Yeah, I'm almost done.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to close my suitcase.
That's not how you close it.
I think I may have used too many clothes.
No, don't worry. I'll help you.
How?
Just watch. All you need to do is start with a sweatshirt. So all you have to do is layer all your clothes on top of the sweater.
Okay, but now what do we do with this pile?
Now we're just gonna fold it. And now it'll fit in your suitcase.
Thanks, Ben.
Come on, we're gonna be late.
Oh, okay. Finally home. I still need to unpack. Ew! Oh, my lotion got everywhere. Oh, it's so gross.
What's wrong, June?
The lotion spilled all over my suitcase.
I guess first we should wash the shirt. To prevent lotion from spilling into your bag, all you need is some plastic wrap.
What are you gonna do with that?
Next, we just put it onto the lotion. Then finally put the cap over it.
Wow, Ben, you're a genius!
No problem, but plastic will help keep the lotion inside the bottle.
Oh, I still have to unpack.
Here, let me help you.
Ben, are you done packing?
Almost, but these bottles take up way too much space.
That's easy. All you need is a couple straws. Then just put it in the straw. Once it's filled, use tape to seal the end. And finally, just add a label. Here you go, it's ready for your trip.
Aw, thanks. Oh man, that's so much easier than carrying this old thing. Off to Rome.
Have fun! Oh, Max, I'm starting to feel dizzy.
Oh no, here, come with me. Come on. Here, sit in the shade.
I still feel dizzy.
Don't worry, I have something to help. Here, try some of this.
Huh? What is this?
It's jicama, try it. Jicama is 85% water, so it'll help hydrate you. Do you feel better, June?
I feel better already, thanks, Max.
Oh, that's great.
Ben, wake up!
What do you want, June?
We're getting ready to leave and you're still laying here.
Huh? What's wrong?
It's your face. It's a little sunburnt.
Sunburnt? Ah!
I can help. You just need cornstarch and water.
What are you gonna do with that?
Just watch. Just put some cornstarch in the bowl. And now we add some water. Only a little bit though. And now we mix it up. It should be a thick paste.
What's that gonna do?
Now we just put it on your sunburn. The cornstarch soothes the sunburn. Once it's dry, just wash it off.
Thanks, June. I feel better already.
Let's go. I think they're leaving already.
Okay. Oh, June, you spilled water everywhere. And you ruined my painting.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ben.
Oh, now I have to start all over.
Oh! And all you need is some duct tape. Just wrap it around the desk. Now there's no way to spill the water.
Wow, thanks, June.
No problem, Ben.
Oh no, the water! It didn't spill! But I still have to start all over.
Here, Mom, catch! Oh, nice throw, sweetie. Your turn. Ow! Ow, my heel! Oh no! It hurts so bad!
Excessive sweating and exercise can cause irritation on the skin. An easy home remedy would be cornstarch and some gauze.
Let me go get some supplies. I'll be right back. Okay. Don't worry, I'm back, Lily.
Be sure to use the clean gauze to apply the cornstarch to the affected area.
I'm gonna clean your boo-boo now, okay, Lily?
Okay, Mom, be careful.
The cornstarch will help the affected area while also reducing the friction inside the shoe.
Okay, Lily, that should help it not happen again.
Thanks, Mom. I think the bleeding stopped. Mom, now we can play again. We sure can.
The following hacks and remedies can help you as a parent.
Oh, why is this so heavy? Ah! Oh, my new shoes are all wet. I was gonna go out tonight. Now I can't. Oh, I'm so sorry, honey. Oh, wait. I have a solution. All you need is cat litter and socks. What? Cat litter? What's that going to do? You'll see. Just give me your shoes. Okay. Here you go. Don't worry. I'll get started right away. And now just fill a sock up. Now just put in the shoe. Here you go, Stacy. Just leave the socks in the shoes and they'll be dry by tonight. Thanks, Mom. You're the best. Now back to cleaning. Come on, Mom. Let's go play. Okay, let's go over there. Ha! Where's my stuff? Oh, how are we gonna get home?
All you need is a diaper and a bag.
Come on, Mom, let's go play. Wait, let me hide our stuff first.
Use the diaper to disguise all your belongings.
Huh? Oh, good idea, Mom. Let's go play now. Okay.
Now let's see what happens next.
Heads up, Mom.
It looks like the hack works. Are you guys enjoying the videos? Hit the like button down below. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done! Thank you. Now let's get back to the video.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
And give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.